Okay, I know what some of you are thinking. Damn, who is she?
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Sure, Officer Johnson, 7108.
Thank you, Officer Johnson. I appreciate that.
That is Officer Johnson with the Onawatana, Minnesota Police Department. Unfortunately, she does not know the Constitution, but she is about to learn.
Okay, do you have your ID on you by chance?
Oh, I don't give anybody my ID unless I've committed a crime.
Okay, well, I'm coming in contact with you right now and I need to see your ID, okay? When a police officer asks...
Did I commit a crime?
Identification.
The post office supervisor here is also about to learn.
That video, erase it. There's no reason for you to have
That's not going to happen. I didn't go in there.
no reason for you
Yeah,
to
but I
have
didn't go in there specifically.
All of this began when Sean Paul Reyes, Long Island Audit, one of the most successful and polite auditors in America, started recording in the parking lot.
All right, guys, so before we go inside, let's take a look around the facility.
First up, a mail carrier.
Excuse me?
Can I help you?
Who are you?
I'm a carrier here. Who are you?
Your name?
Huh?
Can I get your name?
No, you can't.
Oh, you can't help me then. I don't know.
I'm just curious as to what you're doing.
Yeah, no, I don't need any help. I'm just taking some pictures and video. It's pretty obvious.
Don't think you're supposed to be doing that at the post office.
I'm not supposed to take any pictures and video at the post office? Why would that be?
I'll go get my boss. Okay.
Yeah, you could do. Yeah, sure, no problem.
Next up, a postal supervisor. And against Reyes's wit and knowledge, the supervisor is out of her league.
I need to have you leave the premises. This is government property.
Who are you, ma'am?
I'm a supervisor here.
You're a supervisor and your name is?
I'm not going to give you that, but
Why does no one want to give me their name?
we don't need to give you our names.
Do you work for the post office?
What is your name?
Well, I just asked you for your name. Why would I give you my name if you're being rude?
I'm not being rude. When I have carriers worrying about somebody with a video with their camera taking pictures.
Yeah, I'm just taking pictures of
Coming
the.
and asking-
Yeah, I'm taking pictures of
Why?
the dock area here.
Why?
I'm not going to disclose that information because you're not disclosing any information to me.
I don't need to. I don't need to.
This is private property.
It's
Who
government
who owns it? If it's private.
Why are you asking? What's your concern?
I just wanted to. He said it's private property, so I want to know who owns the private
not-
property.
It's not private property. It's government property.
Yeah. Why? But what's your name, sir?
Why do you need our names?
I'd like to know who I'm speaking with. I don't
I'm
know.
TJ.
TJ?
Yeah.
I'm SP.
SP. Okay. Nice to meet you.
I'm
but
SP.
what I'm asking you is, we can't have you filming things.
Yeah, I'm just taking some
That's
pictures
all.
and video.
No, I can't have you do that
Why can't you?
because it's not your property.
It's not yours either. It's
I work
ours.
here and I am controlling this right now.
You're not.
I need you just to get off.
Just taking some pictures and video. I don't see what's the big deal.
We can't have it.
Why not?
We can't. Just like if I went to your home and started doing it. Or
Yeah, but I'm not your home.
Wouldn't you
I'm
feel
not at your
comfortable?
home. I could understand if I went to your home and I started taking
This
pictures.
right now is like my home.
It's not.
I'm here.
This is where you
know
do
what
the
I'm
work.
saying?
Yeah.
But I don't.
I just
need-
respectfully disagree,
right-
ma'am.
But right now, my concern too is we're going to have all these carriers coming in.
Yeah,
and I
I'm
don't
gonna
want them
document
not
that.
Seeing you and hitting you.
Yeah. No,
I
I'm going to
don't want
document that. I'm going to stay. I'm going to
So
stay
if
to the
you
side.
if you go on the sidewalk, you can do whatever you want.
Yeah. No, I'm not in a restricted area or anything. This is open.
I'm
It's open to the
saying
public.
If one of our carriers
It would be
does
my
not
fault.
see you and they hit you,
Yeah.
no.
I'll be careful.
No, I'm.
I haven't been hit. I'm 31 years old. Haven't been hit by a car yet.
Well,
Thank
I'm
God.
older than you, and I have not been hit. yet.
Exactly.
But
Very rare
I'm just
occurrence.
saying, I do need you to get off of the area, off of the property. There's
I just
no
don't
reason
understand.
for you to be here. I'm giving you one last chance. Are you going to leave or not?
Excuse, ma'am, I'm not leaving.
Thank you.
As the supervisor called police, Reyes then went inside the public lobby.
So they do have it posted here, the rules and regulations governing conduct on postal property, aka Poster 7, where it says that photographs for news purposes may be taken at entrances, foyers, lobbies, etc.
Moments later, two local police officers arrived, one after the other.
Hi, how are you? Nothing. Were you called for me?
Yep.
For what?
Well, we were just talking about how you're videotaping and...
Yeah, I'm just taking some pictures and video of the facility here. That's
Okay.
correct. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Sure, Officer Johnson, 7108.
Thank you, Officer Johnson. I appreciate that.
Yep.
Yeah, no, I'm just taking some pictures and video. I tried to explain that to them. They didn't really want to hear anything. They weren't trying to be, cooperative with me. My name's Sean. I'm an independent journalist.
Okay. Do you
working.
have your ID on you by chance?
Oh, I don't give anybody my ID unless I've committed a crime.
Okay, well, I'm coming in contact with you right now and I need to see your ID, okay? When a police
Did-
officer asks...
Did I commit a crime?
Identification.
Can I get your name and badge number too, sir? You have a card for me? Perfect, sir. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, I'm just an independent journalist. Yeah, no, I don't give up ID just because you made contact with me. I have to have committed a crime, and then I would give you my ID. But I haven't committed any crimes here. Yeah. Is this officer new to the department or no? Man, what makes you, just respectfully, what makes you think that just because I've come in contact with you, I have to give you, what legal basis are you using?
We're just asking if you want to give us your name.
No, she specifically said I have to give her my ID because I came in contact with her. So I'm trying to find out what legal basis.
The post office gave us a call. They didn't know what you're doing here.
Yeah.
This is their property, right?
Yeah, this is federal property, public property.
But
Correct.
I was kind of curious what was going on.
Yeah.
They just had asked you your name, so.
Yeah, no one would give me theirs. This is the same way that you guys gave me your name. That's why I gave you my name. Like, mutual respect. When you don't give me your name, if you would have said I'm not giving you my name, I wouldn't have given you my name either. But you gave me your name, so I gave you my name is Sean. I'm an independent journalist. I'm working on a story, But just there's no legal basis for me to give you my ID, unless you think that I committed a crime or I'm about to or anything. Just so you know, because that can get you into some trouble down the line. Because I'm just saying.
Speaking of trouble, here comes the post office
That's basically
supervisor again.
Was it SP?
SP. Yeah, I told the officers my name.
Okay. Well, this is the deal. We just need you to leave off the premises. I need you to. If
What
you don't have
authority?
business-
What authority do you have to remove me from the?
My clerks are very uncomfortable right now.
But what is?
They got your video. They want that video. Erase it. There's
That's-
no reason for you to have
That's not
this.
going to happen. I'm not. I didn't go in
There's
there.
no reason for
Yeah,
you
but
to
I
have
didn't. I didn't go in there
Those are
specifically.
mothers and grandmothers. Okay?
But what does that have to? I didn't go in there to intentionally record anyone. I'm recording in the area.
When you have your phone like, okay, then let me
Ma'am,
do
calm
this.
down, calm down.
Let
ma'am.
me do this.
You can take a
How
picture with me all you
uncomfortable
want.
are you at?
I'm not uncomfortable at all.
Okay, I will.
They're just very uncomfortable.
I will move on. Okay.
Can we go back here for a second?
There's cameras all over the building.
Okay. So she just wants you to.
Yeah, no, but I have business here. If you want to, I have business here. This is a public building. Wow, that escalated quickly.
After a few minutes, the police came back out and acknowledged Reyes was within his constitutional rights.
All right, Sean, right? Mm-hmm. So they're gonna let you stay here, okay? But you can't be bothering the employees, okay? But you can still be doing what you're doing, and when they close at 5, you have to leave, okay?
Okay, two things. No one's letting me do anything. Number two, of course, I'm not going to stay in the building after they're closed. But no one's letting me do anything. She obviously wanted me to leave, but she has no legal basis for me to leave. It's a public building, open to the public. I have a right to be here. Just so I wanted to clarify that. Officer Selvig, thank you, sir.
5 o'clock, we're gonna go, man.
Take care, Officer Selvig. You have a good one.
Sean Paul Reyes, on behalf of We the People, strikes again. Kudos to Long Island Audit for helping to educate those police officers who in turn enlighten the postal staff about constitutional rights. Also, bravo to the police, including Officer Johnson. She and Officer Selnick stayed calm, never escalated, and were open to the idea that Reyes was correct and the postal supervisor was wrong. To be clear, it's okay for police not to know everything about the Constitution and First Amendment court rulings, as long as the cops, like they were in this case, are gracious, peaceful, and kind. Finally, we've done a lot of auditor videos featuring Sean Paul Reyes. His quick wit and gentle approach were compelling when he started. Now, his skills are off the charts. Police and public officials should take note. Sean Paul Reyes and other auditors across America are perfecting their craft. Government authorities, including law enforcement, would be wise to step up their efforts and respect for the Constitution as well. More audits and more on-camera tests are coming. I'm David Schuster. Thanks for joining us.